Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw XRP from Bitget. All right. So for example, you wanted to withdraw it or send it to your Binance account. So first up, go ahead over to your assets. Yeah, and just click on withdraw right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you got to click on select a coin. Okay. Find XRP. Click on it. Now select the network. As you can see here, XRP Ripple is available. So just click on it and it needs a withdrawal address and a tag memo. So go ahead and go to your other crypto exchange and then go ahead and go to your wallet as well. Okay, for example, under overview. And here we're going to click on deposit. Okay. Now deposit crypto. I got to select the coin, XRP. The network would be BP20, Ledger, or Ethereum. Okay. So we're going to select Ledger right here. As you can see here, it gives us a memo. Both address and memo are required. So, okay. Copy the address, go back to your Bitget, paste that in here, copy the memo as well, copy, go back to Bitget, hit on paste. Other once that's done, just hit on next. Now go ahead and enter the amount of XRP that you would like to transfer. Now click on withdraw. Okay. If you are hesitant, begin by transferring minimum amount right here and withdraw. And if it goes through, now go ahead and continue with bigger amounts. And that is it. That's how easy it is to withdraw XRP from Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.